Are you looking to avoid a knee replacement in one knee after having a bitter experience with the total knee replacement in the other? Advances in medicine occur from time to time, and those people who had a knee replacement done in the past may now find that the orthobiologic treatment, ERS treatment, is better for their lifestyle than a total knee replacement. So I'm going to show you the X-ray of a 64-year-old. This is the X-ray of a 64-year-old male. He has undergone a total knee replacement in the left knee, and he is now looking to see if he needs a knee replacement or he can avoid a knee replacement. Now I'm going to show you the X-ray of the other side. This is the X-ray of the other side. There is medial joint space narrowing, patellofemoral osteophytes are there. 3 osteoarthritis, not many osteophytes, and particularly at the back. So he's got a good degree of knee flexion or knee bending. So he's a suitable candidate for PRS injection. If you're also in the same boat, if you didn't know about a PRS treatment, but you've undergone a knee replacement in one knee and want to avoid going in for a knee replacement in the other again, then orthobiologic treatment like a PRS treatment will definitely help. It will postpone or avoid a knee replacement for many years. If you're interested, have a look at my website, orthobiologicsurgeryindia.com. Look at my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center. Share this video with your friends or relatives who may be considering a knee replacement. Like it, subscribe to my channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.